Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. We've been cleared for approach into Palm Beach International Airport. Thank you for flying with us, and please enjoy your stay in the Sunshine State.
From our television studios, Multimedia presents 21st Century Business with General Alexander Haig.
From start to finish, you guys made me feel relaxed. I mean, you're nervous coming into an experience like this, so the fact that from being greeted to makeup to talking with the folks supporting the show, and then, you know, Al and Harris, you know, everybody makes you feel relaxed, and you have to be relaxed to do something like this effectively. So it was a great experience.
I think everybody is totally professional, understands their role and their job, and more importantly, they were trying to make us look good.
It was smooth as it could be. It was a great deal.
Sitting down with the director of the show, I thought was critical to having a great show and to be comfortable when I met General Haig. I think clearly the director explained what was going to happen and actually gave me a little insight into General Haig and how to work with him on stage, and I think that was very informative. And really, I was prepared when General Haig showed up.
You know, Al's a great guy. I was surprised at how laid back and fun he can be. He made the experience much more relaxing for me, and I think it went well because of that.
He's a really very pleasurable person to spend time with. Obviously, he's a piece of my history in growing up in my generation. You know, to have a chance to meet him both casually as well as being able to put on this more formal production was terrific.
I've always admired Al from afar, and it was a real pleasure for me to meet him and find out what a stand-up, decent fellow and he was, and very polite to me, and very nice to me.
He is obviously one of the most powerful people in the world, and it was just a great honor to speak with him.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go out.
Welcome to 21st Century Business. I'm Alexander Haig. How do you develop such innovations?
My father and I don't sit in an ivory tower and try to dream up new ideas. Most of our suggestions come from the employees or even customers in the field that come with a problem. Frankly, every new problem is an opportunity for us to come up with a creative new solution.
Right, and experience creates the circumstances.
It helps.
And what happens once the employee retires?
Well, once the employee retires, they can, first of all, take a withdrawal from the life insurance contract to repay the loan. Once they've repaid the loan, the excess value in the life insurance contract can be used to provide tax-free retirement benefits.
What's going to happen to the remaining 401k program? It's still going to be there, but what happens to it as far as contributions?
Well, that's the beauty of the plan. Nothing. It remains intact, status quo as is, and no changes need to be made.
How does the commercial direct lending process differ from a typical commercial lender such as a bank?
The most important thing is we can give them a written pre-approval in just a day or two, which is important. A lot of banks drag out the approval process. I like to joke that people get a definite maybe at banks sometimes for 45 or 60 days. We typically close our loans in 30 to 45 days compared to other lenders which can take 90 days.
It's rare to be able to get an opportunity to be able to do this in as professional a setting as we're seeing here.
And I think it will obviously add value to us down the road.
This kind of exposure we really expect our company to take off.
It's a great credibility enhancer.
We're excited about it.